Hello, welcome to Speak English Today, learning English sounds, where sounds are made. Today we will learn the different areas they are made: nasal, lips, top of the mouth, throat. Pronunciation of the sound, like girl, not girl, in the throat. The lip sound, me, mommy. The top or roof of the mouth, ra, ka, la, ga, go, give. The tongue sound, la, 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 la. Where sounds are made: in the tongue, the throat, with the teeth, the mouth, the nose. Technical names for these are nasal, palate, uvula, glottis, vocal cords, and others. The nasal sound. It's very common in English. R, ear. The tongue out of the mouth. La, the, look. Some voice sounds are made in the throat. Gala, gorilla. The lips are used for the M sound, ma, mo, me. The roof of the mouth is used for la, no, gorilla, give. The teeth and the lips, so, some, silly, the teeth together. Sounds are made in different parts of the mouth. Every culture can say hello, mommy, daddy, eat. Your language may have the sound, but it's not used. Examples: S in Asian languages, word endings, the sound, showing the tongue is difficult. Some difficult sounds to say can easily be learned, and you can improve your pronunciation quite a bit. Some words use many parts and areas of the mouth. Sh, r, shrimp, shrimp. I learn other languages, and I know how difficult it is. It helps to look in the mirror and see where your tongue, lips, and mouth are placed. When pronouncing the TH sound, your tongue must be forward and out of your mouth or against your teeth. Th. Don't be afraid to stick your tongue out. It helps to record your voice and listen. When you talk, you cannot hear how you sound. A big problem is that you cannot hear how you sound. We can talk and repeat something, but we can't really hear what the problem it is. It's because our brain often plays previous sounds it has stored, not the real sound you're making. Like when someone you think is smart says, "I thought I heard you say that," and you said something really different. I often repeat things over and over, and my teacher says, no. Then I record my voice and listen, and I can hear what the problem is. And then I'm very happy. You should learn how the mouth should appear. Take a quick look in the mirror. Listen to how you sound. Soon the problem is found. Learn how the mouth should appear. Take a quick look in the mirror. Listen to how you sound. Soon the problem is found. Thank you for watching Speak English Today, Learning English Sounds 1.